Nditi ya utongoria wa gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Mumbi wa Iguru ironekana tetarahutha na ihenya egwikinyitie mbere ya ruhonge rwa guthuthuria ngero cia ungumania EACC thutha wa maabitha amwe thirikari-ini yake kwirikana kwaga kurumirira mutaratara hindi ya uheani wa kandarathi cia tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere. Waiguru augite riri ni ikinya ria kuhinga murutire wake wa wira akiorota mwaho wa MMC aria meriga kumba ndereti ya kumuhagura.
Because you can make allegations about very many things, but if you have no evidence, it doesn't go anywhere. So we've written our statement. We are happy that we were given the opportunity.
Kihonia kia ngucanio gatagati ka Waiguru na MMC aya nikio kibarua kinene kingetheire bunge ya Senate thutha wa gavana Waiguru gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino muthenya wa ira ni undu wa mateta ma mogaruruku maria mendekithitio ugai-ini wa keki ya kaunti ino na umuthi riuma rita ria urugamiriri wa kamiti ya bunge ya Kirinyaga ya uhuthiri wa kigina gutetera mogaruruku maya.
Let me assure the assembly that we are not here to assign blame or to point fingers.
This governor operates under the belief that the role of the county assembly is to approve whatever it receives from the county executive, that the county assembly should pass everything without consideration and necessary amendment.
The assembly should separate the other issues they have with the accountability from the county executive from the budgeting process and make sure that they become as faithful as possible towards the budgeting process.
The governor brought a memorandum to the county assembly, and notwithstanding, the first time we saw the PBB, that is the program-based draft budget, was when she wrote the control of budget, and we are just copied as an assembly.
When the budget estimates were submitted to the assembly, it is only the itemized budget that had been submitted. This chairman may have created part of the problems that we have right now.
No maya magithie na mbere munini wa gavana wa Waiguru Peter Ndambiri arauga ni hariirie kuingira mwanya-ini uria urehetwo ni njatukano gatagati ka Waiguru na gikundi giki kia MCA kuhorohia ndugamano gatagati kao.
Na no njurie munene wakwa gavana etikire guikuruka thi arie na MCAs na mo MCAs matigatuike andu akwa kuthikiriria na no njurie gavana akorwo busy ajetikirie na berotha thie njai na MCAs nigetha tubote kuthondeka kana atume minister wake wa finance mathie marie.
Bara gatagati ka Waiguru na mwahuyo wa MCA a bunge ya Kirinyaga waya gucungirira gatithio hari tabarira imwe cia uthii wa na mbere thutha wa Waiguru kuhanda cira igoti-ini wa kuregana na mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa 2020-2021. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Anne Ngigi wa Nyamu.